Alright everybody, check out my big rig. I got the homemade trailers in action, hauling the homemade trucks. The brown one on the back flatbed is actually due for some upgrades pretty soon, but the two on the flatbed are actually both heavily built trucks. I love them. The semi is made by Tamiya, and it's pretty much a scale semi-truck, anatomically correct really. And then the trailers is made out of scraps and balsa wood and spare tires and stuff. This video is really just a extended drive and having fun with the rig, and hope you all enjoy it. See ya. This spot that I'm wheeling right here is great because it's got a whole bunch of rocks and obstacles, and it's pretty smooth asphalt. Really nice. It was actually really risky business trying to drive the truck through these tight quarters and then risking my other trucks on the back if I wreck it. So it was kind of high stakes hauling, but you got to get the content for the viddies for the vans. I really feel that driving this thing around would be good practice for someone who might want to be a truck driver later on, because you got to know some angles and some bank shots, and backing up the two trailers at the same time is actually something I tried to film but just isn't worth seeing because it's kind of funny. One trailer's easy, but when you're backing up two, you got to go back 6 feet and pull forward 3, and then back 6 and forward 3 again. That's a 1957 Buddy L. That's a 64 Tonka. That's a 75 Tonka. Pretty stock, but it's gonna get some mods. I don't know whether to make the brown truck like a dragster or a two-wheel drive like work truck, or maybe a flatbed. Anyway, I'm always thinking. Talk about a good way to take out all of your favorite trucks all at once, go parading them around. This thing's a total compliment magnet. So if I drive it around the grocery store, actually, it's kind of funny. And everyone's like, whoa! And I know if I saw this thing driving around, I would be blown away. But if anybody knew how much I spent on all this stuff, they wouldn't be too jealous. I need to get these diffs sealed up with some kind of locker or a limited slip, because it's always getting stuck. There's the 57. I like it on them D's. The 64 is on huge boggers and it's kind of strapped down. And then the stock Brownie again. And it has 2 wheels in the bed, bringing the total wheel count on this situation to 30 round boys. Here's a little Skajakwita for my bro, hanging Christmas lights. Anyway, Merry Christmas, and check y'all later. Peace.